finally got my hands on this palette to review. This is the Aromas palette from Ucanbe, and oh my god, everybody's saying that it's a dupe for the Huda nude palette. Oh, Beauty Glaze also does a palette like this, so I'm gonna show you some swatches. We're gonna look at this palette up close. Get this at Amazon. I will be linking it down below just in case you want to check it out, and it retails for about, I'd say you can get it from $10 to $13. I personally don't have the Huda palette, but this looks amazing, and for what I've heard, this could be even better than the Huda palette, so I don't know. I'm just gonna show you how this works. We are also gonna create a look. Before we get started, welcome if you're new. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you Aromas Ucanbe palette. And first, I want to say that this feels so good. It doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. It has some weight to it. Into the back of the palette, it says it's a cruelty-free product, and it has a shelf life of 12 months. It says it's 18 shadows in 4 ready to layer textures, 11 buttery mattes, 4 pure glitters, and 3 pressed pearls. Cardboard is beautiful, but then when you open, the actual packaging is the same design, which I love. And are you ready to see the inside of this palette? Oh my god. Just look at that. With a beautiful huge mirror, and it's really good quality. Look at these colors. Oh my god. I'm gonna be inserting the swatches of all. The only difference that I've heard from the Huda palette is that this color here would be a concealer, like a cream concealer in the Huda palette, and here is just the powder. I can't wait to apply these on the eyes because, as you know, swatches perform very different how it's gonna apply on the eyes. I did already prime, but let's go ahead with the swatches first. I have here the color Bear. You have Eager, Play, Wandering, Tease, and Exquisite. Really love the color selection here. Then we have Secret on the second row, Dreamworld, Fairy Tale, Bliss, Crush, Kinky. The last row we have Nude, Misty, Sandalwood, Teddy, Castle, Love Bite. It came packaged so beautifully, like it was well protected. Nothing came cracked or broken. It came in bubble wrap, like it was just really nicely packaged. I really appreciate that. You can see here, it just says Ucanbe right there. Swatches that I'm showing you is with a couple of dips in the pan, just so you can see them properly. Some of the colors were a bit chalky, but I like that when I was swatching it in the pan, there's barely any fallout. Like the pan still looks pretty clear to die for. It does come with this little film. One thing about this palette, I like that the names are on the palette, you know, not just like on the film or in the back. They're right there, you can see them. Go ahead and leave you with the demo, the tutorial for this Ucanbe Aromas palette, and I hope you enjoy. Starting with the color Bear here, I'm gonna apply this all over the lid. Is just the perfect shade. Alright, that was alright. With this color here, Tease, and put that on the crease. It's like a nice deep purple. Seriously, no patchiness. That is really impressive. These two, did you see the swatch for these two? Oh my god. This color here, Wandering, also gonna add that in the crease. I'm really impressed because mattes are really hard to pull off, like shimmers are easier, but wow. It's a good sign, right? Hopefully the rest doesn't disappoint. I'm gonna take this color here, just look at that, right? To die for. This one is called Dreamworld, and I'm gonna take that with my finger because they seem to apply better with the finger. Look at that. I'm gonna apply it right here, not in the whole lid. Look how pretty that is. Isn't it gorgeous? I find these are better when you press them in like this than just sweeping it across with a brush. Get more pigment. What's best about this is that you don't have to worry about glitter glue or anything like that. As of now, I have no fallout, like maybe a bit here, but barely anything. I think I'm gonna go with this glitter here called Crush. When I'm gonna try to use a brush just so I can be more precise. See how it works with a brush. If not, we'll go in with our finger. And I'm just like patting it in. I'm not loving it too much with the brush, so let's see if it makes a difference if you try with your finger. Definitely better. Definitely. And still, look at that. Like, you don't have to worry about doing your foundation first, that all of that is gonna fall in your face, because look, I'm not kidding, nothing. Again, I'm just patting it. With sandalwood, just try to deepen that outer corner. All these colors just look beautiful together. Truly impressed with all the different formulas in here. Try and see how this color Castle would look for like an inner corner highlight. Yeah, no, that's too dark. How about the color maybe Eager? Oh, just gorgeous. Now we have to just do some liner. I want to see how well it works on top of these glitters. Close, I have a little bit of fallout. I just want to make sure to clean that. The way I use the e.l.f. liquid liner, all them using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Lashes definitely take it to the next level, and now you could either just put a lipstick. I'm going to use just the lip gloss. We want the attention on the eyes. In case you were thinking about purchasing this palette, I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!